ba to? Ilang bala yan?
Ano mo ha? Ilayo mo yung kamay mo dito.
Palagay na.
Pag yan tinamaan mo, iba naman ang titirahin mo.
Dito. Nice! Eric, sa pool ha? Sa pool ha? One shot! Kaya naman?
It's too big.
What?
Okay.
Titol. Mad, man.
It's filming, son. It's filming.
Oh, is it? Ariko! Oh! Chris, take your time, alright? Wait, he'll load it.
What do you want? The little bottle or the...
Yung una muna daw, na can.
I'll try the little one.
You're gonna try it?
Might as well.
Take your time and aim, breathe, and as soon as you go, breathing. What a shot!
That's a straight hit.
Yeah. No, it went through the can.
Oh, okay. Holy.
Abu sayang. Yuck.
Red ant?
Yeah, beat me. May bullet na yan? Tol, here.
Come here.
Make sure your hand doesn't touch that. Or
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
do not...
Okay.
take your thing here. Take your time.
Make your ano?
Aim.
Yung magandang posisyon niya. Yung
Position.
comfortable.
Wait.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Take your time. When you're ready.
You know, when you look at the... I show you the proper ano.
How do you pause it?
Hindi, kunin mo.